Hey guys, welcome back to 4 Kids on a Farm. It's day 2 of our pond dig. We got a little rain in between, and so really we're kind of testing out the dirt to make sure that that excavator is not going to go slipping and sliding everywhere. Because wow, would that just ruin everything. We don't want that to end up in the pond. So I've got Rachel out here, talked to the guy. We're going to dig a little bit around the pond so that we have more of a gentle slope and more of kind of like some Baja deck type spots. So if an animal goes in there, they can get out of there. If they go or drink from the pond, they can get out. So look at how beautiful the sky is. Oh my gosh. It is a chilly day, but it is beautiful. We got about an inch of rain in between these 2 days, so our pastures will finally get the water they need. And I'm just gonna get a little bit of footage of our guy doing his work. Trying to watch out for that electrical line. What do you think about our new pond? Be honest.
It makes me nervous.
Why?
Because it's so deep.
It's probably gonna hold, I don't know, we should measure it, thousands times more water, I'm sure, than it was before. And that machine is
Beast.
He was telling us that usually his other equipment, once he gets to hard pan, it'll just kind of give him a hard time. This one, he couldn't even tell if he was going through hard pan or sand or whatever. It's so powerful, it just goes through it, no problem. So it's exciting, but like Rachel's saying, it's kind of scary because we have like a huge body of water that we got to be responsible for now. So, but
It'll be good because he's making it shallower.
Yeah, it's really, really deep, and so we have to make sure that there's exit points, and that's what he's doing today. It's just crazy because I don't know what the volume of that bucket is, but he's got to be moving 3 or 4 wheelbarrow fulls of dirt in like 10 seconds. If I had to do this by hand, it would take me a year. Dang. Guys, it is really hard as I'm looking through this camera to see the scope of how big this is. Oh my gosh. It's gonna be massive. Okay, Alora's testing it out. Here, Alora, not that way, come this way. All right, she can get out. The sheep can get out. What's he gonna do? He's gonna run up that way? Ready, go. work this machine is doing is just awesome. I mean, look at all that dirt that it's moving, and it's just doing it so effortlessly. So I feel like a supervisor, like a project manager right now. Not doing anything, just watching this thing carve out my pond.
Uh-oh, you guys.
Basically, just try all the controls before you start making sure. Such a sweet machine.
Oh my gosh, we're super thankful for all you do. My goodness. It's so cool. Wait till he's out of the way. Trying and we're like, how much is that every scoop he does? That's good to know. Stay there. Hi, baby. Yeah. Oh, we got one.
No, he's going to have to drop it to get that
It's your turn. You nervous?
Yeah. I know we did this one.
That's hers.
So these are just for traveling and turning the tracks. That is just for the thumb which you need. That's that upper piece. This is, no, go backwards. This is the boom in and out. Look at that. is this boom up and down.
Okay.
So back is up, it's down.
Okay, I'm gonna stand out of the way because I know how uncontrolled, how not in control I felt learning that thing. Very cool. Our friends letting us try it out, and we're trying not to tear up our field too bad. He challenged me to dig a hole and put that tire in there. I didn't dig it too deep because I don't want that in my pasture. We're gonna remove those, and so it was really, really fun though. And I did it.
Stop.
Don't, hey, oi, hey.
Hey guys,
Hey,
how do you like the pond?
it's awesome.
Good.
It's
It's
gonna be
sick.
more awesome when it's filled.
And it has fish.
Yeah,
And we can swim in it.
and the zip line.
And we
Don't
can
forget the
fish.
zip line.
Stop.
We'll get it there.
Can you just put a hook in it?
Okay, here she goes. You can see it, but she's got a huge grin on her face. She's focusing. Look, she loves me. She wants me to stay alive and back away from that thing. Okay guys, so done for the day, probably done for the season. He's taking it out. If it gets too wet out in our field, there's no way he's gonna move it. So we love the finished product. We can't wait for it to be full with water. Get you Fricky in there. And it was a great experience to be able to get on a huge machine and be able to see if we can work it. And that is an art. It definitely is a talent. And all of this dirt we move, it's crazy. It just left us with this huge pond that now we have to fill with water. So if you guys aren't subscribed, hop in, click that subscribe button so you can watch this fill up during the winter. Hopefully you'll be able to see that progress with us. Hit that like button, hit the notification bell so you always know when 4 Kids on a Farm comes out with a new video. Thank you. See you later.
Bye guys.